Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day, today we are going to implement new questions. That is a very interesting questions which is asking in the interviews. Write a Java program to check length of the string without using length function over here. That means we have to calculate our string length without using the length function. We don't have to use the inbuilt function. So how to implement this? When the interviewer give you these questions, you might be getting wondering how to calculate the length. I don't know. I just know that direct use the str dot length and calculate the length of the string, but it won't be like that. We don't have to use that way. We just use our own implementations, which does not follow the length of function. So let's implement this. So implement that, first of all, we need a string over here, and a string str is equal to just type something that you have to calculate the length. So I just type over here hello world. Double hello world, and end with simple. Our question is saying that calculate the length without using the length functions. So now our program is start over here. We just need one variable here. Just take length length of a string. Damn should be something relatable so that you can easily to understand. That's why the length of a string is equal to 0 over here. The initial values of the length of the string is 0, and then you just need so here our program is start like use while loop over here. While is true, while is true, while true, what you have to do? str dot char of, which is already present in a string class. As you can see here, the charAt of it index char of a string, converting to a string to char. Okay, so this method is doing that. So we just use that method over here. CharAt of length of the string over here, and then it will be calculate the string length of the string. By using this variables length of the string, it will be calculating the length over here, and then just come here and do the same thing. Length of the string plus calculate in the every iterations. Next, after this, will not tell you now what is happening when we perform this. We'll get the some exceptions. First, we have to read that exceptions. Then we have to solve that so that you can easily to understand what you have to perform this. And then this out system.out.println just length of the string. Just type length length of the string, and then just print the length of the string plus operator and length of the string. Uh, what happened? What happened? Control where unreachable code quick fix. 1 second, guys. So the error is like to will throw the exception when index exceed of the length. When we do that length of the string, the length might be getting exceptions over here. For that reasons, we're getting that unreachable code over here. That means you have to use the catch block, try and catch block to handle the exceptions. When we use this, the error is gone. Just look at here and I just try this try and the just curly braces end here after the while loop end here and just use the catch block the exceptions sorry you might be getting confused. I just write by on okay CAT catch and then here use a string out of bound exceptions, a string index out of bound exception. Just write like this and control of a space. And as you can see here, the exception is coming. String index out of bound exception. Just enter it and you get this E and inside of the curly braces, you can write your own exceptions, but we don't have to. It will automatically print the exceptions when it reaches their limit. If it's not, it will be handled by our own try and catch block. See, our error is gone over here. Now our code is fine. And let's run it and see what we will getting. As you can see, the length of the string is 11. So let's confirm that is that 11 or not. So just come here and see. H is a 1, E is a 2, L double L 3 4, then O 5, then W 6, then O 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Why? Oh, we getting the only 10. We don't get that 11 by calculating by ourselves. Don't worry. The space is over here is also calculated. That's why we're getting the 11. Length of the string is 11. Let's take one more space over here and run it. See, we will getting the length of the string is 12. That means the length of the space is also calculated. And in this program, we don't use that length function over here. By using the length function, we can calculate directly. We just use that, I think, we just use here like 6 out, okay, and str dot length, length. By using this function, we can directly get the length of the string. Let's run it and see the length is 12. That means we don't use that. Here we don't use any other function like that. We just use that inbuilt method to calculate a length of the string over here. I hope you will understand this videos. Let something comment out here and then we'll end this videos. Yeah, by using inbuilt function or method over here. I hope you will understand these videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.